Are you looking to protect your phone without the hassle? Monzo makes it simple with built-in phone insurance when you upgrade your account. And to get started, all you need to do is upgrade to either the premium or max plan. Both plans include phone insurance automatically, and coverage starts immediately, as long as your device is eligible. While it's not required, registering your phone's details, like the model, IMEI number, and purchase date, through the insurer portal can make claiming much smoother down the line. Once your insurance is active, you can check your policy details directly in the Monzo app. Here's what's included: coverage up to £2,000 per phone, £300 for accessories, a £75 excess, and a set number of claims per year. 2 claims for premium and 4 for max family. If you need to make a claim, it's simple. You can either use the link in the app or call 0-3301-56696, providing your policy and device information. For damage or faults, you have 2 options: arrange collection and repair for a £50 service fee, plus a £75 excess, or drop off your phone at a DPD location and just pay the £75 excess. For lost or stolen phones, you can choose same-day replacement if approved by 1 p.m. This costs £50 plus the £75 excess. Alternatively, you can opt for standard delivery, which takes 1 to 3 days for just a £75 excess. And that's it. Upgrading your Monzo account is all it takes to keep your phone covered effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tips.